Good morning, traders. Today is Wednesday, December 22nd, and I have the blueprint on the E-mini S&P. And what you're seeing here are a few trades, a few opportunities on the long side as well on the short side. So to begin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we may even have a 7th trade on the blueprint. Now this is pre-market right over here, and I'm going to really focus on after the US session opens, which is much stronger. We have a little bit more opportunity. What determines whether we trade pre-market or not is whether or not there's enough volatility. And remember, your broker may charge you more margin if you trade after hours, pre-market, or the Globex session. So now we have a blueprint signal right here. Let me just bring this up right here at 46.55.50. So those of you who have the new blueprint software can go ahead and take a long trade, 46.55. I'm going to place this trade as well. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. You look at the current conditions, about 2 points. I'm going to go long.
Order filled.
And now we have 46.55 entry. I got a little bit better, I got a tick better, which is always good. Always look for a better price. Now from here to here, you're going to notice that the profit target that I used is roughly 2.5 points. The same thing for the stop. We want to have a stop that keeps us in the trade. So the stop right here indicates if it hits that, I'm out of the trade. All right. So this is how we manage looking at these opportunities. Obviously, I want the market to go up. Now, the other thing is if the market does go sideways and does nothing, we also like to use a time element, a time-based stop to get out of the trade. So if this trade, let's say, starts to go up, then goes down, then goes up, then goes down, always look at time to get out of the trade. It's not worth holding on to these trades when the market does nothing. I entered for a reason. I want to get an immediate result in my favor. Obviously, the market to go up. Let's see what happens here. Now, when you combine these methods, or even the blueprint with the Atlas line, or the blueprint with one of your own methods, we have a much higher rate of success. The mentorship program includes all of the software, including the Trade Scalper, the Atlas line, the blueprint, the At the Open, the roadmap, all together in one discounted package. If you're interested in the next mentorship class, please go ahead and visit daytradetowin.com to get the details on the next date. There's another blueprint long that just popped up at 46.66. I'm not going to re-enter or add positions. I'm already long. So remember, if you're already long a position and there's another signal that appears, it's best to not jump in with more contracts. Just extend your trade. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.